The world population is rising. In order to sustain the increasing level of industrialization, we are currently drawing on finite and non-renewable resources. Space for food production is also limited. The soil is enriched with phosphorus-based fertilizers in order to increase crop yields and meet global food demand. The production of phosphates and phosphorus currently focuses on the use of mineral phosphorus resources. However, these resources are limited and unevenly distributed. This is creating dependence in Europe in particular. Europe is therefore forced to seek alternatives to reduce this dependence and the environmental impact of phosphorus mining. A team of scientists is seeking to obtain phosphorus from a recycling process as part of an international research project financed by the EU. The element phosphorus is essential for many biological processes. Phosphorus also occurs in the human body. It is taken into the body in the form of food and is largely present in urine. Waste excreted by humans and animals therefore contains phosphorus. The sludge found in sewage treatment plants would seem to make a good fertilizer at first glance. However, the undesirable toxic substances it contains means that this sludge cannot be applied directly. It is therefore essential to find a way of extracting pure phosphorus from sewage sludge. There have already been numerous attempts to do this, all in vain. The Recophos team has now come up with a breakthrough. In order to verify these theoretical discoveries in practice, the Recophos team designed an experimental reactor. The inductively heated packed bed reactor operates according to the same principle as the Wehap process to produce white phosphorus. The reactor can be used to vary the key process parameters. This generates meaningful results about the behavior of the process. In the two-stage process, sewage sludge is burned in the flash reactor at very high temperatures. This produces a sewage sludge slag which can be directly fed into the Inducarb reactor. The one-stage process uses ash from sewage sludge incineration. This sewage sludge ash is charged into the reactor. As in the Wehap process, phosphates react under high temperatures and in the presence of silicon dioxide and carbon to form gaseous phosphorus, carbon monoxide and silicate slag. In order to achieve the required reactive conditions of 1500 degrees centigrade, the energy input in the Recophos process takes place via induction heating. Iron and aluminium phosphate, as well as calcium phosphate, are reduced in the reactor. The gas from the reactor contains elemental phosphorus and is burned in a combustion chamber. The process conditions are selected so that all combustion products remain in gaseous form prior to flue gas scrubbing. The scrubber removes acidic compounds from the flue gas. The phosphoric acid formed can then be extracted from the scrubber water. This phosphoric acid is the primary product of the Recophos process. The fluid phase from the reactor consists of silicate slag and a metal fraction with a high iron content. The silicate slag can be used in the cement industry and the ferrous alloy can be used directly in the metal industry. A very low proportion of waste substances also remain, such as heavy metals and halogens. The Recophos process offers a wide range of advantages. It reduces the dependence on phosphorus imports and eases the burden on the environment. Recophos turns a problematic waste material into a valuable raw material. The byproducts generated by the process can also be used in industrial applications. The incorporation of recycling processes is an essential prerequisite if we want to act more responsibly towards the environment in the future. Recophos is a step in this direction.